You and me, the thought of us keeps popping up in my dreams. You see, can't get enough. You and me, when we touch, you knock me off of my feet. I think I need your love, but every time.
It's very important to spend quality time with your friends, family, and especially your partner. And that's exactly what Neha and I did last week. We went on a brunch date and surprised each other with the new Vivo S1 smartphone. And guess what? It comes in a special reviewer's box that also had new sunglasses for both of us. The idea was to surprise each other and test the capabilities of the Vivo S1 together. So I decided to be the photographer for the day, whilst Neha modeled as we tested the camera, battery and performance capabilities of the Vivo S1.
As soon as I held the Vivo S1 in my hand, I could easily tell that it is one of the best looking smartphones available in the price segment, especially the Skyline blue color variant that I'm using. It is a well crafted phone with edges well curved, and that makes it easy to hold in the hands. The Vivo S1 definitely tops the list of good looking smartphones in this price bracket. In India, the Vivo S1 comes in two colors, diamond black and skyline blue. The hues of blue, white, purple and yellow on the back panel with smooth gradient adds to the overall aesthetics of the smartphone. The Vivo S1 sports a 6.38 inches Super AMOLED display and offers 19:5:9 aspect ratio, 90% screen to body ratio and FHD plus screen resolution. Vivo S1 has a flash in display fingerprint scanner apart from the face unlock support.
In terms of ports, you get the micro USB port with 18-watt dual engine fast charging. Along with that is the speaker grill, microphone and the 3.5mm audio jack on the bottom. The power and volume buttons are on the right, and there's a physical smart button that can be used as the Google Assistant button on the left, just below the SIM and micro SD card tray. The Vivo S1 has a 2 nano SIM slots and a separate micro SD card slot. The top has a secondary noise cancellation mic. S1 is powered by the MediaTek Helio P65 12nm processor. You can choose between 4GB 6GB RAM and 64GB 128GB ROM to boost the fast and smooth performance of multiple apps and mobile games. And when it comes to speed, by increasing smooth gameplay and reducing frame drop by 300%, multi-turbo is lightning fast feature gamers need. Claiming things on benchmark is one thing and the actual performance another. So we tested the S1 thoroughly. We used the phone for social media apps, listened to music, watched news, YouTube and Netflix videos. We also played a lot of games like PUBG and Oswald 9. It opened apps quickly and switched between applications smoothly. It is quick to launch apps and can run most of the apps and games out there on Google Play Store. It also manages idle battery drain very well. And in our experience, the Vivo S1 did not lose too much of its charge while sitting idle. Multitasking was quite easy considering we had 6GB RAM variant of the device. Lastly, to the massive 4500 mAh battery, which we need to applaud Vivo for managing to fit in such a slim and stylish device. The device lasts easily 1.5 days, and once the battery is depleted, you can use the supplied 18-watt fast charger to charge it back quickly. Vivo S1 runs FunTouch 9 OS based on Android 9 Pie. Vivo's FunTouch OS has iOS-like control center that can be accessed from the bottom. The gestures are smooth, and there's also several third-party apps that come pre-installed with this phone. S1 also has its own customized voice commands. Want to quickly activate AI Face Beauty, clean up your phone's memory, or search for food pictures in your albums? Just utter the command and S1 will be at your service. The Vivo S1 includes triple sensors on the rear panel and a single on the front. On the front there is a 32 megapixel camera for clicking selfies. On the rear panel there is a 16 megapixel primary camera, a 8 megapixel secondary wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel camera with depth sensor.
S1 features an industry-leading 32 megapixel front camera. The 32 megapixel resolution allows you to take selfies with high clarity and precise details. It also comes with multiple selfie modes such as AI face beauty, AI selfie lighting, AR stickers, etc., which makes taking selfie experience enjoyable and fun. So here are some samples from our photo shoot.
But every time I imagine that you are mine, I don't wanna open my eyes, 'cause I might not really see you. But every time we getting on that bump and grind, and all of the stars align, my fantasy might come true. Don't wake me up.
Users often have to choose between style and substance in one device, but with the S1, Vivo has given users an option to get both style and substance in one device. It has an eye-catching design and a quick in-display fingerprint scanner. It offers long-lasting battery and an S-AMOLED screen with triple camera setup. It checks all the boxes of design and performance, making it a great buy if you want a stylish performer.
So that was our review of the Vivo S1. If you enjoyed watching the video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment below and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching the Unbiased blog.